Yeah, I'm feeling very exciting about almost 14 years onwards we are participating here. This company based at UK, AB Vista. This company enzymes manufacturing. They're producing especially enzymes only. They're the monopoly of enzymes, research oriented company. So here it is almost 400 stalls installing this expo. Every year on November, same dates, 25, 26, 27, same dates they are conducting actually. There's a plenty of newcomers are coming to about this industry. What are the layer industry, what are the broiler industry. The different segment is there in the broiler industry. So nowadays what happened, everybody, the consumption capita is increasing. So chicken consumption also growing every year. In the same way, coming to our company, AB Vista as a unique company of enzymes, especially the world leader of enzymes, Quantum Blue and Econase XT, and we are producing also natural betaine also. Especially this exhibition, almost every day, this 3 days, almost 2 lakhs people are visiting our stalls. Very excited to about this unique exhibition in South Asia, the biggest exhibition conducting every year in Hyderabad. I'm very glad to that see this expo.
Sir,
Thank you.
actually, like you were participating still many years, right? What difference you find out by participating in the expos?
Yeah, the difference is that day by day increasing the genetically increasing. The technology also they are increasing. So see what happened, the newcomers also coming to this industry. Basically, the newcomers are coming to doing business this company. Lot of the people knowing about poultry industry. What poultry industry? What made of poultry industry to different products like unique eggs, they're like chromium eggs, they're like different selenium eggs. There is a nutrition values going to be different sector this industry, so people are very much interested to coming this business actually. Yeah.
Sir, like which type of customers you target?
Here is major broiler customer, and broiler means the meat purpose, and layer customer, layer is the egg purpose. These two type of customers we are targeting.
So instead of participating in this expo, you may get more footfalls, right? Many people will come and approach. What you learn from this expo?
Basically technology,
Okay.
technology and science.
Okay.
Basically technology and science. Yeah.
All the very best.
Thank you.